my channel. In today's video, I'll be attempting to follow a MANNY MUA tutorial. These videos have been going viral over the past week or two, and they are just so much fun and interesting to watch. So I will be following MANNY MUA's bold and easy cut crease makeup tutorial. He uploaded it a little over a year ago. And if you guys are new here to my channel, hi, my name is Leilani. I upload a new video every Wednesday and Saturday, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's just get started. And I'm about to press play, so let's get into it.
Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be
I love him. I have the Modern Renaissance palette right here, and I've never used it before, so I'm super excited to try it. Oh, fancy. He already has like his face makeup done, which is fine because I kind of want to just focus on the eyeshadow look because I've always wanted to try a cut crease makeup look. But yeah, so let's just see what makeup I can do because he already did his makeup. He already got it all done. And if you guys want me to do like a what's in my makeup drawers type of video, let me know. So I'm just gonna like speed up this whole process of me doing my makeup. Okay, I have finally completed all of the regular face makeup and all that jazz, just like Manny. So now let's begin his tutorial.
So we're gonna go in with the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and that's what I've been using on my eyes.
So he said that I have to use golden ochre and burnt orange. Let me see the type of brush he uses. He said a fluffy brush. Let's see, guys, let's see. I'm guessing this is the closest thing I can find to what he has, so let's see.
Try to avoid the lid at all costs right now because the look is going to be in the crease. Keeping your eyes open, like you can see color there. Make sure you're focusing all the color on the top of your crease or in your crease. If you have a better crease than me, because I have like all this little extra skin here, so I have to go above my crease, then you're good. We're gonna go into raw sienna.
I'm not done. And then I have to do it to the other eye. Next, let's see.
Red ochre, and that's like on the outer corner, and it's gonna go a little bit lower than what we have the first original shades down first. We're gonna put that in the outer corner into the crease, about halfway into the crease. Really trying to avoid the lid because that's where we're gonna go kind of start.
Okay, so he said raw sienna and real ochre. Mix those two together. Wow, I like never done this before. Like I usually don't mix colors at all, but according to Manny, that's what we have to do.
In here, just a little nugget, and then blend it out with E27 just to make sure we get some nice smooth transition. As you can see, there's like layering of colors. It's a little bit darker, it's a little deeper. On this side, you can see there's more dimension. Okay, cool. So now that we have those colors deposited.
Oh my god, it's way too fast. I'm like, oh my god, how can I follow him? Ooh, I like that color. That's so pretty. And then he said that he like just blended it out with like a fluffy brush, I guess. I don't really have Morphe brushes, so I have no idea what kind of brush to use, but we're just gonna use this one. Okay, let me do the same thing to the other eye.
Now we're gonna take a little bit of Venetian red, mixing that really bright, like plumish colored fuchsia with cypress umber, which is a really, really dark, deep brown, and that's gonna go on the most outer corner of our eye. Or we take that with a Morphe E36, and this is.
All right, he uses like a really small brush for that one. So let's see.
See right there? That looks deep as shit. Deeper than the fucking ocean. And now we're gonna take that M433 and blend that out slightly. Okay, cool. So now for the fun slash a little bit harder aspect of this look. It's not hard, I promise you. It's not hard as long as you're like really just concentrating, focusing. It's not gonna be hard. But this is the part that is like the main part of this look. You know what I'm saying?
Oh god, guys, this is hilarious. Look at that. It looks like I got punched in the eye. This is hilarious. What did I do? Okay, so he said to like place it here. This definitely does not look like how he did it, but it's okay, guys. That's the point of this video, to see if you can live up to the expectation that they provided. Okay, I'm trying to fluff this out as much as I can so then it doesn't look as bad.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a small, tiny synthetic flat brush, as you can see, and we're gonna take literally like a drop of the MAC Prolongwear. We're gonna really saturate the brush on both sides, making sure we don't have too much on the brush itself. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that brush,
okay,
and we're gonna start. I'm gonna actually kind of pull my eye taut a little bit.
Wait up for me, bud. So he said that he just like put a little bit on his hand.
We're at the beginning of our eye. Deposit the concealer right on our lid, just as a guide. Okay, so I did it on my lid, but because I have more hooded lids, I'm gonna go a little bit higher than that. And I'm not doing some crazy like one stroke or like no. We're gonna go ahead and cut out. Or they're just gonna start carving out the crease and spreading that concealer wherever you want it to be. I like mine to be seen when my eyes are open, so I'm gonna go a little bit higher than this, and I'm going a very slow baby stroke. So basically, have our eyes a cut crease, and it's starting to feign out here, which is totally fine. Fill in the rest of the eyelid about 2/3 of the way in. He's
like really defining the cut crease look with concealer, which is really smart. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do. I don't really do this kind of stuff too often. I think I did it. I don't know. Let's see. What's next?
So now we're gonna grab a packing brush. I'm gonna take the shade Tempura, which is a very nice matte white shade.
Okay. Tempura. Let's see the brush. Looks kind of like this one, I think.
Over the concealer to avoid creasing through the concealer, because if you have any lids like me that has extra skin on it, you will crease a little bit, which is totally fine. But what you want to do is you want to set it before it can even crease. And this is on a Morphe M210. It's a nice, just compact packing brush, but it's also very small and precise, which I love it for. As you can see, there's like a harsh line. There's like the darkness and there's the lightness. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually change that. I'm gonna grab it.
Wow, this is a pretty color. What's next?
Whatever brush you want to use is fine. Any of the previous brushes is great as well. I'm going to take this Morphe E17 and I'm going to grab the shade Burnt Orange, Red Ochre, Raw Sienna, just any color you guys want to use is totally fine, because this is going to be the blend between the harsh darkness out here and the white. So I'm going to grab this and I'm literally just going to press over the concealer. As you can see, it's already starting to blend in like seamlessly. It's moving back and forth right up to that line and blend out that line up here a little bit more. As I was saying, this does not have to be super neat, it does not have to be super intense. Literally, this is just like an easy fade. Think of it as like a fade, like a hair fade, fading like when you're drunk and you're about to pass out, fade like that. So this is what it should look like with this fade, and as you can see, it's really clean, it's very pretty, and I'm digging it.
He said that he'll be right back after he does the other eye, so I'll do the other eye as well. And then he said to mix burnt orange, red ochre.
This is your eye look. This is what you should have right now. Half cut crease or 2/3 cut crease. I don't even know what I would call this look actually. This is a fucking look, man. This is a fucking So now we're gonna go ahead and do the bottom lash line.
Yeah.
This part, so easy. We're gonna take the shades. Let's see, burnt orange and rough sienna. And I'm gonna run that underneath the lash line. Very just liberally run it underneath the eye. Now let's take a little bit of that red ochre and Venetian red, and we're gonna go a little bit higher with that one. Ooh. E43 and a little bit of cypress umber, and that's gonna go.
And then he's using cypress umber for what?
Closest to the lashes on the outer corner only. Just gonna pack it on there. Now you can take any cream or white eyeliner. I'm gonna take the ColourPop white eyeliner. Wow, my shit is so broken. I'm hoping I can use some of this. I'm gonna put that in the waterline. Give us a little bit of pop. Look at that shit. Come on. And now you're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of a wing liner. I'm gonna take the Kat Von D Tattoo Trooper eyeliner.
Yep, I messed up. Oh no. I really messed up. Let's try this again. Yeah, this is not a good eyeliner. Okay, time for eyeliner. Oh god, and he does like the really big wings. He made it look like his wing was like so thick, and then all of a sudden it was like thinner. Okay, I'm just gonna do regular mascara so I don't mess this makeup look up even more, but it's okay. And then he didn't show this on camera, but he added like a light pink liquid lipstick. So I guess I'll just find that after I finish my mascara. Okay, this is the first light pink color that I found. So let's just use this. This is the CoverGirl Melting Pout Gel Liquid Lipstick. So it's like one of those that like you just like squeeze it a little bit. So this is the completed makeup look. I feel like I look so fancy and I feel like I'm about to go to prom or something. Like, ooh, work it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you comment down below what videos you would like me to upload. So that is it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!